Selling your car in Delaware? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Delaware Certificate of Title, issued by the Delaware DMV. Everything you need to fill out is on the back. Before you start, sign in blue or black ink only. No other colors, no pencil or marker. And don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1. Sign the signature of seller line in the assignment section on the back. This releases your interest in the vehicle. If the title lists two owners with "and" between their names, both owners sign. If it says "or," only one needs to. Step 2. The odometer disclosure boxes marked odometer reading, no tenths. If your vehicle is less than 20 model years old, enter your current mileage. Whole miles only, no tenths. Read it straight from your dashboard. If you're not sure whether yours qualifies, just enter the reading anyway. It's never a problem to disclose, only to leave it blank when it was required. Step 3. Fill in the buyer's name and address on the purchaser line and enter the date of the sale at the top right. Step 4. Print your full name on the printed name of seller line, directly below your signature. If there's a lien on your title, the lien holder signs the release section on the front or provides a separate lien release letter. One thing specific to Delaware: you also need to complete the seller's report of sale. It's attached to the bottom of your title. Fill it out and return it to the DMV right away so the state knows the vehicle is no longer yours. You'll also turn in your license plates at a Delaware DMV or transfer them to another vehicle.